Okay, so I had tried this vinyl repair kit and I had gotten too light of a color, but you can actually kind of like see it actually did some improvement, and we are going to work on this area and then that, and then we're going to go over with a darker color and let's see how this does. But in the kit you get, so that is your leather and vinyl recoloring balm. That's dark brown, so hopefully that's going to be a better match. Then you get a couple applicators to use in directions, and there's a pair of gloves there folded up in there, a brush, and kind of like a little spatula to use. And then it has a larger sponge to it. Okay, so let's open this kit up. Let's get the gloves out first and foremost, so we're ready for that. And then we got the spatula and the brush. Put off on the side. I think we're just going to, let me start off with this and see how this works. Then we'll open this up. Then it's got a foil cover to it. Open it up like that. On this area down here, and we got this, so we'll just kind of put that on. Some of the bigger areas. Kind of fill that in. And I'm just going to make sure that I have each area pretty well done. But I mean, this looks pretty good already. And we'll use this kind of blot. Kind of have it. And that looks fantastic. And I think I got the right color this time. So again, if you get the wrong color, let's fix it up. And then since we have a bigger area, we're going to use this sponge. And then that makes for a much better color match. We have another arm that I was working on down here, and this was pretty bad. So let's get that fixed. And again, it was a color match issue, but I think we got the right color now. And then we can just, looping it on, I guess, is a good term. Let me kind of move the camera out of the way a little bit. There we go. Okay, so it's been probably about 15 minutes since I put it on, and it's still a little wet. Obviously, it's probably going to take a little while, but I would probably give this about 24 hours before I would sit on this. But let me get you some close-ups. So again, dramatic difference. And up here, it's kind of almost dry. You can see how it's like blending in really well. And there's probably a few spots I probably got to go over a little bit more. But yeah, what a big difference. Okay, so about a half hour, that is basically completely dry, and like I said, from a distance, perfect color match. When you get up a little bit close, it's a little off, but again, dramatic difference. Holy cow. This is still a little wet, and like I said, it's been a half hour, but to kind of give you an idea, we did put that on kind of thick. Some of these areas are dry completely, and this front part, what I started off with, that is completely dry as well. So again, dramatic difference. This product is great. All right, Brian from Ground from Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.